Kia Sportage comes equipped with an auto rear wiper function, which can be super helpful when you're driving in wet conditions. This feature automatically activates the rear window wiper when your front wipers are on and you shift into reverse gear. To enable this function, follow these simple steps. Start by turning on your vehicle and head to the instrument cluster display. Using the controls on your steering wheel, scroll down the main menu until you find the user settings. Once there, scroll down and select Convenience. In the Convenience menu, look for the option labeled Auto Rear Wiper. Using the lever on the steering wheel, highlight the option and then press the OK button. If the checkbox in front of the auto rear wiper is filled, it means the feature is activated. If you would like to disable the feature, simply press the OK button again to uncheck the box. When the auto rear wiper feature is activated, it ensures that your rear windshield is automatically cleared whenever your front wipers are on and you are in reverse gear. This is especially handy when backing up in rainy or wet conditions, as it helps maintain clear visibility. And that's all. Consider subscribing to WeezJoin for more Kia Sportage tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.